Go to the Google My Business dashboard. Logged into Google or Gmail, just type in the business name and city. While in the default Home tab, scroll down. Find Get More Reviews and copy the code. Share the code with the webmaster or enter it in the appropriate place on the website. Customers now tap on the Google Reviews logo on the website to share their feedback.